So we do a lot of staycations over the summer. With having the pool and Todd being such a great cook that he is. And sometimes I make some desserts. This morning, Todd made some quiche with our farm fresh eggs. So we've already had breakfast, but the sun is out. And now what we are going to do is we're going to chill outside today, but I wanted to make a quick little drink using fresh pineapples. I had just purchased this pineapple core, and I'm going to go ahead and piece it together and see how well it works with this. This came with instructions. Here are the directions, and I love pictures because sometimes the words don't describe it well enough, but I do love the pictures. So let's go ahead and piece this together. Just popping that in there. I'm going to give this a quick wash. Okay, so I already washed that. Let me get a good knife to cut the top off. Just going to pick maybe this spot right here. Got the top off of there. See how easy this is. I'm just going to try to center it where the core is. And I'm going to just push down. And let's see how this goes. Just going to rotate it, rotate it, rotate it. Crossing fingers that I get everything out that I need to. And I guess I'm just going to have to gauge it. Uh-oh, it looks like it's kind of going at an angle. Hopefully we're getting that core. All right, I guess I'm just gonna stop there. Just gonna pull this out. So you gotta use a little bit of force and finesse all at the same time. Check that out. Oh, that's awesome. All right. So I think the next step, I need to maybe take this handle off and then be very careful because it's very sharp. And that's it. Oh, that was super easy. Check that out. So we will use this for other things on our staycation this weekend. But I'm gonna go ahead and make a mixed drink now. Gotta have something for the pool. So we'll go ahead and set that aside. I am gonna go in with a knife and just kinda, let's see if it'll break off. I might need to go in with a knife and just kinda cut it. I don't know if you can see, the core is still in there. So I'm just gonna kinda come through here and try to get that cut off. There's a little bit of a core down there, but it's not going to matter because the drink's going to be in here, and that's a nice little cavity for a beverage. So I'm going to do that with the other one, then I'm going to mix the drink and put it all together. So be careful not to cork down, like screw down too far, because you will go through the bottom. I don't know if I went too far on that one, but we will put that to the test. Hopefully not. So let's go ahead and make the drink. Oh, and by the way, that tool, a thumbs up for sure. This is an amazing tool. I definitely recommend it. Now, on to the drinks. Let's go ahead and get my recipe together. I'm just going to open up a can of pineapple juice. Okay, so I'm making for 2 people. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 cups of pineapple juice. I'm gonna do 1 cup of coconut rum. So yes, this might be a little bit potent. I'm gonna come in with some orange juice, 1 cup of orange juice. Now I'm going to put a lid on it and shake it. Give it a little taste. Oh, that's good. Okay, so that recipe is good for 1 pineapple. You're just going to double it if you want to make a second pineapple with that. Let me go ahead and get some garnish going. There, let me go grab some cherries. So it's always a good idea, throw in some ice, because after all, we're going to be outside the sun. It's going to melt and keep it cold. I'm just going to throw a couple of cherries on here, and there you go. We're going to call this the Staycation Poolside drink. Let me get a straw. Let's give it a quick taste. That's super good. Yep, I would definitely recommend putting the ice in. And now we enjoy. We're going to top it with a little bit of cherry juice. Stir that in. And there you have it. The Pineapple Staycation Paradise drink. Let's see what Dolores thinks. So here's your beverage.
You got to be, oh my God, Lord, it is spoiling me.
Hey, that's okay. We're going to call this the Pineapple Staycation Paradise drink.
Well,
For the poolside.
when you come in, oh my God.
Taste it and let me know what you think.
Oh my.
Watch out, Zeus. Come on.
I've been playing ball with him. He's smart.
I'm recording you. Is that okay?
Oh, yeah.
For one of my videos? Give it a taste. What do you think?
Died and went to heaven.
All right.
Yes.
All right. It's a success. Now I'm going to go make me one and I'll be right out.
Oh.
Let me know what you think if you try it out. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching.